Welcome to this video showing you how to log in and access the teacher reports and how to view and download your students' Maths-Whizz learning profiles. You will find your access details in Step 5 of your school's Maths-Whizz implementation guide. The password should be kept confidential as it gives access to school-wide data. Go to whizz.com and put in your school's username and password. Click on Launch. The blue buttons are for administration purposes and the green buttons are where you find the reports. Click on Class Report and select your class. Click on the Comparisons tab and you will see your students on the Maths Age distribution line. At a glance you can see the range of ability in your class from the assessment. It is not uncommon for there to be a 4-year gap between your lowest and highest ability student. Now each student is on their own individualized program. You can mouse over to see the names of the students. If you feel that any of your students have not come out at the right level or may not have coped with the assessment, you can allow individual students to reset at any time, but maybe leave it a week to see if their program is at the right level. You can also view average progressions a student makes. The target we recommend is 4 progressions per week. To see how your students have done in their assessments or print their progress reports, select Since Last Assessment. Select Print, choose Student Topic Charts, and now you can choose individual students or the whole class. The UK Maths-Whizz Maths Age is just a benchmark from where Maths-Whizz measures progress. It is not a strict New Zealand Maths Age, however, it is an effective starting point from which to measure progress. It is common for New Zealand students to have a slightly lower Maths-Whizz age than their chronological age, however, it is an interesting guide. We will sometimes suggest to teachers that adding 6 to 9 months to a student's Maths age gives a better Maths age chronological age comparison, but once again we suggest you focus on progress and progressions rather than absolutes like Maths Age. When printing for parents, you may wish to consider printing without Maths Age. When a student does their first ever assessment, there will be no blue progression bars, it will just show the red lines. After the assessment, Whizz has automatically set individualized programs for each student and they are all different. Then students receive in their tutor lessons at their correct level across all strands. Every time students make one progression, it fills in some blue and automatically adjusts their level in that topic. The more progressions they make, the more blue. Where there is no blue, usually it is because they are not passing their tests. When printing, the reports will usually display better in a landscape format, and you can also save these to a PDF file. Over the next few weeks, focus on embedding Maths-Whizz into your class routines. We will explore monitoring student progress in more detail in another video, but in the meantime go to the Comparisons tab, select Last 7 days, and start to watch students gain their green tick as they make their 3 progressions. Remember, we suggest a target of 4 learning progressions each week, and the simplest explanation is that this means they have passed 4 tests in their tutor in that week. Just for fun, why don't you send a message to your students to congratulate them on finishing their assessment? Write them a message and click on a sticker, then press send. They will get mail bouncing up and down in their study, and the sticker will be automatically added to their sticker book. They love it. Congratulations, you have now completed the implementation process. Be sure to embed Maths-Whizz into your numeracy program. We will provide you with a best practice guide to ensure that Maths-Whizz is one of your most valued resources. We will provide you with training videos so you can explore ways to monitor and motivate students, accelerate student progress and achievement, support your inquiries, enhance your planning, and streamline your reporting. In other words, give you a virtual assistant to save you time and make you an even more effective teacher.